What is up and welcome to another video and happy weekend everyone. It is Saturday evening right now and today I wasn't able to check the charts because I was outside the entire day doing some personal matters. So right now I'm going to check the chart. I'm gonna give you some quick update about what is happening with the market. The stock market was down this week while gold and Bitcoin continues to move up. Dow Jones dropped more than 350 points to end brutal week. S&P 500 closes in correction territory. And also you need to watch out about the possible volatility next week, guys. More than 1 billion USDT deposited in Binance. If you are new to this channel and if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, click that notification bell. If you are ready, let's dive right in. Wow, look at this, guys. You are looking at the weekly time frame of the stock market heat map. Google down by almost 11%. Nvidia down by 3.32%, while Apple was down by almost 4%. Only Amazon here is up by almost 0.24%, guys. Meta was down by negative 5.54%. Oracle also down. Mostly are in red, guys. Tesla was also down by negative 4.47%. While gold and Bitcoin continues to show strength. So S&P 500 final target here for the short term was already reached. If you are following me on my Twitter account or if you are following my previous analysis about S&P 500, the Bitcoin, the stock market, the crypto, then right now I'm going to give you some update here. So S&P 500 finally have hit our target. So previously on my Twitter account, I have pointed out this very important level. So liquidity zones here and the support on this area right here, 3915 up to 3651. And also I have shared another update when the price got rejected from this liquidity level. So we have this head and shoulders formation here and the support trend line. And this was the latest update, October 5, S&P 500. Same target remains the same. So this was the analysis here, and the detailed analysis was actually posted in the Discord group. So final target for this drop or breakout will be the 4,100 level. So this was the previous analysis that I have shared in our Discord group, guys. S&P rejected on the liquidity zone level and now hovering near the short-term support trend line. Possible short-term bounce from the current levels, and the medium-term target remains at 4,100 zone support. So this was the chart. I was expecting a bounce near the support trend line, but the medium-term target remains at 4,100. And right now, here's the latest update for the S&P 500. Again, I was expecting a bounce when the price broke out. So that was the retest of the previous support right there. So the price broke out from the support trend line, retested the previous support trend line, and then got rejected. And now we have hit the final target, which is the $4,100. This is also in confluence with the previous pivot points here for S&P 500. So let's check if we can get a short-term bounce, but long-term I still believe that S&P 500 is going to hit this support level right here at around 3,495 up to $3,500. But let's see if we can get some short bounce at around this area. Possible maximum bounce at around $4,200. And also another very important information that we need to keep an eye on are the USDT inflows going to Binance, guys. This is almost $1 billion. So these are just two transaction, guys. So first one here was 5 hours ago, and this is around 500 million USDT, guys. 500 million USDT. And another one right here is around 250 million USDT or US dollars. So this is around 750 million, almost close to 1 billion, not considering the previous transaction. These are just the two recent transactions 5 hours ago. 750 million USDT transferred to Binance. So something is cooking here. Something is about to happen. Once you see this massive inflow of USDT, there could only be one reason for this. Two reasons, by the way. They could either sell this USDTs, which is unlikely, and number two, to buy Bitcoin, guys, to push the Bitcoin's price higher and to liquidate the short positions. Now, if this amount would pump BTC, what will be the possible target for Bitcoin? That is the next thing that we are going to discuss. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. I'm going to share with you very important levels that you need to keep an eye on. So we are looking at the weekend data here, and this is very, very thin, guys. The volume right now is very, very low, but these are the possible support and resistance for Bitcoin in the short term. This is the daily time frame, by the way. So current cumulative short liquidation leverage at around $750 million. This is around 37,600 or 37,700 Bitcoin level. And for the long position, cumulative long liquidation leverage, this is around 30,700. So these are the two levels that we need to keep an eye on. Now let's open the Bitcoin's chart. And by the way, before we jump into the chart, let me just show you the previous positions and trades in the previous month in our Discord group, guys. I'm gonna update this list once we are done with the month of October. So previously we had long Bitcoin from 25,700 up to $28,000. Also ETC long from $14 up to $17. CRV long from 4262 up to 4918. AGLD long position. Sand long position. Algo long position. Ethereum long position from 1564 up to 1700 area. Polkadot long position. LRC long position. Ethereum another long position here. So those are just some of the trades, guys. And if you want to join our community, head on to Patreon. Now let's dive into the Bitcoin's chart. So based on that liquidity level, looking at the daily time frame, Bitcoin right now is on top of the possible rising wedge pattern here. But again, looking at the lower time frames, Bitcoin, this was the yesterday's short position, by the way, in our VIP Discord. We have already closed the trade at around this area yesterday when I am doing the when I am recording the Bitcoin TA yesterday. Check out my previous video. I was taking profit while on live. So again, if you have watched the previous analysis short term, you know that this is the current zone right now. So Bitcoin is just trading on a sideways channel. But again, don't forget that we still have that USDT moved to Binance. That was around $750 million, almost $1 billion worth of USDT. So this is the current zone resistance right now. So currently this is a middle trade, guys, because Bitcoin in the 1 hour time frame is just trading on a sideways channel, and we still have this bearish order block, of course, using the chart prime indicator, guys. And right now we have two bearish order block here, and looks like the price in the short term was actually retesting this previous support trend line in the lower time frames. And also this is in confluence with the order block level here and another one here, but this is very thin. This is around 5.46 K BTC position here, while we still have this 100 EMA and 200 EMA acting as our support. And of course this was the these two EMAs will be our short-term support in the lower time frames. So 200 EMA is sitting at around 32,700, and 100 EMA sitting at around $33,700. Again, yesterday, if you have watched the video, daily time frame, this could be our Fibonacci retracement level, guys. So we had the 38.2 at $31,000. This is actually in confluence with that support or the liquidity zone. So our short-term support and resistance, major resistance will remain at 37,800 in the short term, and support will be at $30,600 here. All right, so we have $875 million amount of liquidation at around that area, and in the long position we have around $747 million. Right now we are right now it's the weekend and the volume is still very low, guys. Again, I have pointed this out yesterday. The price keeps going up while the volume keeps on decreasing here. This is a bearish divergence in the volume indicator, and of course our oscillator right now is in the overbought area. So if Bitcoin cannot break this 35,000 level, I remain bearish for Bitcoin short term. But once we see a price breaking above this level right here, then a possible breakout play at around this area right here. And if the price breaks this zone, this support right here, we have of course small bullish order block at around this level, so keep an eye on this level as well. But if Bitcoin's price breaks this support, then it is going to be quick, guys. We have fair value gap at around this area. The price could easily drop from this point to this area right here, 31,300, very quick. So keep an eye on this area, guys. All right, so right now Bitcoin is just still trading on a sideways channel. All right, so that's it for today. I'm going to continue to update you on my Twitter account. Of course, if you are in the VIP, you will get the first information from me, guys. All right, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share this video, leave some comments in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. Is that USDT going to pump BTC in the coming days? And of course, we need to keep an eye on the very important dates about the Bitcoin spot ETF approval or deadlines. So we have I have posted this on my Twitter account, in our Telegram channel, and of course in the VIP Discord. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.